The magma buildup is continuing in the Hagafell, which is close to the Svartsengi or Blue Lagoon, and just 3 kilometers to the north of the Grindavik. The tectonic tremors we are seeing actually fluctuating, it is because the peninsula is actually accommodating the first movement that we saw in the early November, the big earthquake swarms. And just by moving, they're all accommodating that, like a zipper opening up every one of these bits. Opening when we have a rift gradually forming. When the rift forms and the magma is rising because of the pressure is being removed, the land uplift happens and the cracks appearing. These are all the things we saw in Grindavik and the Svartsengi areas. And then we will have an eruption, reaching of the magma to the surface. The land uplift was up to the 5th of the December, to that point, surpassing the previous level. And now we have it reaching the level of the early November. That's the time that we have the earthquake swarms. So gradually, but for sure, we are reaching the eruption level, it seems. The magma is building up. The opening of the crust is continuing. The lithosphere is cracking. This graben, this rift valley is opening up. And the eruption will happen eventually, like what we saw in the Litli-Hrútur volcano, which is a nice example. The land split exactly like a rift. And through the cracks, the magma, which was depressurized, rose to the surface, forming cone. This cone was not stable, collapsed many times. This is one of those cases that it collapsed. This is going to happen probably in the Hagafell area.